Hello everyone, I'm Shannon and welcome to our introduction and inspiration video for the October 2024 Hero Studio release. In this video, I will cover all 6 subscription options: the card kit of the month, the fancy dies of the month, the clear set plus dies of the month, the cling of the month, the layering stencils of the month, and the whole studio, all 5 subscriptions in one. Let's kick things off with our card kit of the month. This monthly subscription offers an unbeatable value, with each monthly card kit worth over $108 for just $46 for subscribers and $49.99 as a one-time purchase. Card Kit of the Month subscribers not only enjoy a discounted kit price, but also guaranteed availability and free domestic shipping. Now let's take a closer look at what's included in the October Card Kit of the Month. This month card kit includes a clear 6x8 stamp set, 16 coordinating dies, a hole punch die, a tree window die, a holiday treats word cling stamp, a washi sticker pack, an embossing and watermark ink cube, 5 sheets of craft, white and red cardstock, gold embossing powder, white embossing powder, and peppermint clay embellishments. Now let's take a look at each one of those products, starting off with the clear stamp set. This festive stamp set and coordinating dies are perfect for your holiday crafting. The stamp set features a delightful assortment of framed images, and the 16 coordinating dies effortlessly cut out all the framed images and sentiments, making it easy to create stunning focal points for your cards. The set includes 12 holiday images of snowflakes, a charming gingerbread man and house, presents, cookies, a wreath, mistletoe, poinsettia, and a beautifully decorated Christmas tree. It also includes several heartwarming holiday sentiments like Merry Christmas, 'Tis the season to be jolly, Happy Holidays, Peace on Earth, and more. Whether stamped and colored, heat embossed, or used in collages to create intricate backgrounds, these images will bring joy and festive cheer to any project. Also included in the card kit is this whole die, which allows you to turn any one of these framed images into a tag, perfect for the gift-giving season ahead. We also have the tree window die. This die is incredible for creating window cards or shaker cards. The die aligns perfectly with the stamped Christmas tree image, allowing you to cut away the background and then pop up the tree for a very gorgeous dimensional look, or create a shaker card very easily with some acetate and sequins. Another stunning option is to not use a stamp at all, but just the die cut with a beautiful blended background. The next product included in the October Card Kit of the Month is the Holiday Treats Words Cling. This 6x6 red rubber stamp features a delightful assortment of festive treat-themed words in various sizes, creating a visually striking design. It pairs beautifully with the framed images from the clear stamp set, bringing a charming festive vibe to any card or tag. Our next included product is the Washi Sticker Pack. This delightful pack features 22 unique stickers that add charm and elegance to any project. Among them are 3 large 6x6 washi sheets, perfect for creating beautiful backgrounds with ease. The pack also includes a variety of nature-inspired designs, from pine cones and seed pods to leaves and pine sprigs, evoking the peacefulness of the outdoors. For a festive touch, there are holiday-themed images like vibrant poinsettias, holly berries, and leaves, as well as cozy cabins and whimsical gingerbread houses, making this pack ideal for holiday card making and crafting. These stickers beautifully complement the other products in the kit, enhancing the overall design possibilities. Also included in the October card kit is an embossing and watermark ink cube, as well as 2 embossing powders, white and gold, perfect for adding dimension and shine to your projects. Also included in the kit are 15 high-quality cardstock sheets featuring 5 each of red, white, and craft colors. Each sheet measures 5.5 by 8.5, perfect for creating a variety of holiday projects such as greeting cards, tags, and more. And our last product included in the card kit is the peppermint clay embellishments. These charming and lightweight little accents resemble festive peppermint candies, bringing a fun and playful element to any card design. Perfect for shaker cards, adding a pop of color and movement, or use them as accents on stamped images to create a festive atmosphere or to highlight certain details. Now that we've looked at the entire contents of the October Card Kit of the Month, let's move on to our other subscription options, our monthly minis. Like our Card Kit of the Month, subscribers to any one of our 4 monthly minis enjoys a discounted price, guaranteed availability of products, and free domestic shipping. Additionally, the monthly minis are available for a one-time purchase, but only while supplies last. Starting off with our first monthly mini, the October Fancy Dies of the Month. pine branches, and lights. This 4-piece holiday die set is perfect for adding festive details to your crafts. The set includes a cover plate die featuring delicate pine branches and pine cones, along with 3 smaller dies, a pine cone, a bow, and a strand of holiday lights. Start by die cutting the branches and pine cones from colored cardstock, and then add a wintry touch with white acrylic spray or embossing powder to mimic the look of snow. For additional dimension, you can ink blend over the die cuts to create shading and depth. And don't forget to use the Christmas lights die for a fun pop of color and holiday cheer. Next up is the October Clear Set Plus Dies of the Month Holiday Messages. This delightful sentiment set features 11 beautiful messages in an elegant calligraphy font. Sentiments include Happy Holidays, Merry and Bright, Merry Christmas, Peace on Earth, Shine Bright, Merry Everything, Noel, Peace, Enjoy the Season, Warm Winter Wishes, and Joy. The accompanied dies allow for precise cutting, making it easy to incorporate these stunning sentiments into your projects. Our next monthly mini is the October Cling of the Month, Gingerbread Town. This 6x6 red rubber stamp features a whimsical gingerbread village filled with charming gingerbread houses, colorful gumdrop accents, and icing roofs. When colored with markers or watercolors, this enchanting scene becomes a vibrant, festive masterpiece, perfect for crafting sweet holiday cards. And our last monthly mini is the October Layering Stencil of the Month Flourishy Christmas Tree. This 4-piece layering stencil set creates colorful, festive pattern panels with ease. Each stencil features convenient registration marks, ensuring perfect alignment for layering. The design features ornaments, festive holiday foliage, swirling flourishes, and a magnificent Christmas tree. Experiment with various color palettes to transform your project from traditional elegance to a chic, modern aesthetic. Enhance your designs by pairing the stencils with colored cardstocks and texture mediums like Hero Paste or Hero Wax to add depth and interest. Now that we've finished looking at our 4 monthly minis, let's move on to our final subscription option, the Whole Studio. The Whole Studio includes all 5 of the monthly subscriptions in one glorious and discounted buy. The Whole Studio is valued at over $192 and is available with a subscription at the discounted price of $120 and includes a bonus zipper pouch and free domestic shipping. The October Whole Studio includes the entire October card kit of the month, which we covered at the beginning of this video, the October Fancy Die of the Month Pine Branches and Lights, the October Clear and Dies of the Month Holiday Messages, the October Cling of the Month Gingerbread Town, and the October Layering Stencils of the Month Flourishy Christmas Tree. And that completes our closer look at the October Hero Studio Card Kit of the Month, the 4 monthly minis, and the October Whole Studio. Be sure to check out our blog hop today celebrating this incredible release packed with even more inspiration from our creative team and special guests. You can find that inspiration as well as pick up your October Hero Studio products at heroarts.com. And as a reminder, the Card Kit of the Month, the monthly minis, and the Whole Studio are limited supply, so once we sell out, we are out, and the products will not be restocked. Sign up for your subscription today to guarantee your kit, receive special discounts, as well as free shipping on your subscriptions. Thank you so much for spending time with us today.